Join me as I on the challenge of boosting my productivity using AI tools on a budget in 2025. Can I make it work without breaking the bank? In today's fast-paced digital world, staying productive has become a top priority for anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve. With the rise of remote and hybrid working environments, finding effective ways to manage your time and tasks has become more crucial than ever. This is where AI tools come in, powerful solutions that can help us to streamline our workflows, optimize our tasks, and ultimately get more done in less time. One of the biggest productivity challenges many of us face is staying focused and avoiding distractions, whether it's social media, email notifications, or endless scrolling. Finding ways to minimize these time-sucking activities is key to maximizing our productivity. Another common challenge is prioritizing tasks with an endless to-do list. I know you know the feeling. It's easy to get overwhelmed and lost in the sea of tasks. Effective time management is also crucial. Knowing how to allocate our time and energy to the most important tasks is vital to achieving our goals, basically fundamentally focusing on revenue-generating activities. Additionally, many of us struggle with organisation and task management. Keeping track of multiple projects, deadlines and responsibilities can be a daunting task, especially for those of us who are not naturally organised. And finally, burnout is a real concern. With the pressure to constantly produce and deliver, it's easy to get burned out and lose motivation. To make matters worse, many of us are working with limited resources, whether it's a tight budget or limited access to advanced technology. This is why it's essential to find affordable and accessible solutions that can help us to boost our productivity without breaking the bank. So what are the budget-friendly options for AI tools that can help us to increase our productivity and overcome these sort of challenges? One of my favourite tools is Todoist, an AI-powered task management tool that helps me prioritise and organise my tasks, set deadlines and track my progress. Another game changer is Rescue Time, an AI-driven time management and tool that tracks how I spend my time, providing me with valuable insights on where I can optimise my workflow. I also love using AI-powered writing tools like Grammarly and AI Writer. These tools help me refine my writing, catch grammar mistakes, and even generate content ideas. And for those who struggle with focus and distractions, AI-powered website blockers like Freedom and Self-Control are a lifesaver. These tools block social media and other distracting websites, allowing me to stay focused on what I'm trying to do and keep on track. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at a real-life example of someone who successfully boosted their productivity using AI tools on a budget. Meet Sarah, a remote marketing specialist who was struggling to manage her workload. By implementing AI-powered tools like Trello, Evernote and Hootsuite, Sarah was able to streamline her workflow, reduce her workload by 30% and increase her productivity by 25%. The best part? She achieved all of this without breaking the bank. Her entire setup cost her less than $50 a month. So what can we learn from Sarah's experience? Firstly, that AI tools are accessible and affordable. You don't need to break the bank to get started. Secondly, that AI tools can be tailored to fit your specific needs and workflow. And finally, that with the right tools and mindset, anyone can boost their productivity and achieve their goals. So thanks for joining me on this journey to explore the world of AI-powered productivity tools on a budget. If you've got a favourite AI tool or experience you'd like to share, then please like the video and comment below and tell us about your own experiences. If you'd like to check out our own AI solutions, then go to alpusonlineai.com. That's alpusonlineai.com. If you want to speak to me about anything to do with AI solutions and how it can help you to start a business or grow a business, then you can call me, that's Alan, on +44 7539 141257, or the landline is +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers.